This dress took me 6 months to make. Here's the story. I recently found out that Mood Fabrics offers free patterns, so I wanted to branch out and try someone else's pattern for once. I found a cute one called the spruce dress and quickly learned that this dress was pretty ugly. So I altered the pattern and got this, which didn't look half bad. After applying my own style, it no longer was shady, and I was able to leave it alone. In the name of being a tree hugger, I used donated jeans. This not only cut down costs, but I didn't have to wash the fabric 3 times to eliminate excess dye and stretch. So, I consider the environment partially saved. I started by seam ripping, but after 5 hours, I realized I was barking up the wrong tree and just started cutting all the pieces. This took about as long as it would take to cut down a middle-aged spruce tree, but the job got done. Now it's time to sew everything together. To pass the time, here's some facts about spruce trees. The fresh shoots produced by spruces are a natural source of vitamin C, meaning instead of eating oranges to prevent scurvy, you can just as easily ingest items made by these shoots. This includes beer, essential oils, teas, and syrups. Spruce is also one of the most important woods when it comes to making paper. This is due to it having long wood fibers, which allows them to bind together to create strong paper.
So there always comes a time when I don't like how a project is turning out, and this is said time. So tell me, am I just being crazy? But I don't know if I really like all the different things going together here. Like, it's just pinned together right now, but it's looking like a mosh posh of everything, and I don't know about it.
I indeed did not know about it. But on a serious note, the reason some projects take me so long is because I tend to overthink things and then procrastinate because I feel like a failure. Hence why this project took me 6 months to make. I'm working on fixing my self-esteem when it comes to projects, but I myself am still a work in progress. On a higher branch, this dress is almost done. In this clip, I just wanted to admire the lining that I hand-stitched and which took forever. Last thing to do is put snaps on.
I feel like I might have put too many snaps on this, but oh well, it's fine.